Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
what? Sawfish and dumpling, banana. I'm gonna tell them. You don't have to tell them today. Yellow yam, potato. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead first, lady. You know what I'm saying?
AKA food.
Food. You know, first lady already tell you that already.
But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
Yellow tape, dance floor, murder scene. Girl, you so bootyful. Crown you the booty queen. PA gon' love this. Cali gon' bang this. ATL gon' rock this. New York gon' play this. I like chocolate milk. The new black girl anthem. Mean as K on the beat, got everybody dancing. Yeah. Yeah. Where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah. Yeah.
We're back. I know you like our outfit today because I love it. You better like it.
Oh my gosh. Now you can eat my love.
All right. So family, oh god damn, I couldn't wait. I didn't even taste the food, family. Usually I taste the food I'm eating. Oh yeah, you know, it's on deck again. You know what it is already.
Ooh, that one is good.
Good, huh? It's cold and nice. I made it extra crunchy for you. It's on the rocks.
So I asked Richie to make this for me today. I feel like eating some sawfish. And
some boiled dumpling. First, put your hand up there for me, please. Don't judge me. I don't know how to make dumpling, but it's alright. It looks, how does it look? It's good.
Put it on my
I'll make it off. So, other people call this bacalao, aka codfish, but we call it saltfish. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Saltfish, you know? Next Jamaican dish. I was feeling this. Dumpling, nice one.
Dumpling tastes bad, man.
Take a look at my dumpling. And then no. Then I see the dumpling good.
And Richie, he has to have a lot of sawfish. I mean, extra sawfish.
I have to. One day, look at the dumpling. That's boiled dumpling.
Damn.
Let me look at you act like you want the food touch your boy, damn. You like your stush.
Yeah, man, I'm stush. You see, I'm Hollywood.
Like you know shit in the bush.
Are you shit in the bush? Me, I shit in the bush. And I have a story for that too, but you shit in the bush.
Hey, yeah, the shit's so weird. Well, yeah. Let's get back. How it taste?
It tastes delicious, but you do have a story time for them today.
Yeah, but they're gonna get later on, because right now I gotta consume something first.
I mean, no, I'm just letting them know. Family, don't leave, you know.
Don't leave.
Story time.
I got a story time for y'all today. This one bad. Almost cost us. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Let me fix this before we get any further. Almost cost you.
Us.
Alright.
Us, yeah. So how y'all doing? Let's get to it from there before we forget. How y'all doing? What?
It's really good.
Greedy couple, we never had this before. We never tried this. Y'all try it. All it is,
easy.
it's so easy. All it is, sawfish, bacalao, codfish, whatever you want to call it. Cook it down. Know what I'm saying? I'm nice, you know?
Of course, you know you boil it first. You get all the salt out.
Yeah. Sure, it's salty.
And then you season it how you want to see, how you season chicken, beef, whatever.
Yeah.
Just don't put no curry or no browning, but just season it otherwise. Cook down your vegetable. And then
do what it does.
Vegetable. And then you go ahead and you add your sawfish. Now all of this right here is coconut oil.
Yep.
And coconut oil is good for you, so.
That's the dipper right there. Damn. I'm messing up everything over here. I'm so hungry. Family, I usually taste some of the food. I didn't today, cause you know. Yo, that yellow meat good, you know? Yeah, please. You know that piece?
I don't want to mess with too much food.
So my white, that's my white yam?
No, it's not your white yam.
Oh, so what you need to give me more piece of white yam I ask for?
Your white yam is.
I'm not getting the white yam, my youth.
Are you gonna get the white yam? Ush. Oh, it is yours.
Mine, right?
It is yours.
I know it's mine.
Cause mine is right here.
Yes, white yam. See?
And catch me.
White. It is white though. I don't know if I can see it, but I sure do see it. I wanted this so bad. I fell for some sawfish. First lady fell for the same thing. We said, all right. Okay, let's go. We're gonna do that. I made it happen, you know.
You drinking water today, honey?
I wanted in the Ceramis. After I water done. Then you know when you eating sawfish, you gotta drink some water with it.
It is very good.
Good, right?
Very good. You did a great job with the dumpling them.
You think so? I can't make dumpling for one thing. Family, that's one thing I can't make is dumpling. But I know I do my thing though.
But you do make some excellent fried dumpling. I mean, excellent.
I could have sworn you had a video of the fried dumpling. Wow. But yeah, I'm good at fried dumpling. But to make them boil, I can't. I'm not that good.
I showed them how to make boiled
I want to
dumplings.
show them what oh, this one right here. Okay.
Now fried.
All right.
So good.
I'm hungry, yo. Don't worry. We're gonna get to the story. How much time are we We're gonna get you. Hold on. How you know? If I don't get to the story first, you wanna start it for me?
Me not started.
Okay.
I've been talking for the last 5 videos of story time. They probably
Okay.
tired of my voice now.
I like a story, then. Okay, tell a good story.
Man. I said, all right.
Don't jump on my mouth like that, man.
They said, all right, first lady. Enough is enough.
Do y'all be liking First Lady stories? First Lady is detailed with her stories, you know? She gets into it. But this story right here?
No. But listen, I'm detailed because, listen to me. Do not call me on the phone. Come to me yard. Send me a text, a WhatsApp, a Instagram, a Facebook, a TikTok, a message, a Twitter, nothing. And say, oh girl, I just beat this girl up. Hold up. Or I'm so pissed off. Hold up. What happened if you call me on the phone and you say, I called this girl and me and her got into it? The phone rang. Okay? You said hello. She said hello. And what transpired after that? Don't tell me, oh, I got into it with her. Or don't use the word that Richie used. You know what I'm saying? Or he'll be like,
you know what I'm saying right now?
no, but you're not telling a story right now. But no, you can't do that. You can't tell him a story like that. But Richie would be like,
Richie be right, what? Piece of white yam, you piece of white yam, man.
that's not white yam, that's potato.
Just take my banana, you know, give me.
No, I gave you banana.
Nah, give me no banana, them, you know.
Richie be like, and such and such and such. And I'm saying to him, what is the such and such and such? I want to know. I'm nosy, family.
Right.
Don't tell me a story like that.
Alright, First Lady. Tell the story time, my food are done.
You tell me to be quiet?
Food are done, I'm gonna tell the story. Yeah. Food are done, I'm not tell the story. So I'm gonna tell the story now. Story time. How I almost got scammed. Yes, I said scammed. On Craigslist. I know a lot of y'all is familiar to Craigslist. You know what I'm saying?
Is it still popular?
Yeah, Craigslist still popular. It's still popping. So Craigslist. This happened 9 years ago. Right, First Lady? Okay, family. This story is, I was trying to buy a car. This was 9 years ago. Alright? And it was a GS 300. I insert a clip. what I'm saying? It's an older car now, but I was trying to buy it. New to Craigslist, everything. You know what I'm saying? I thought you just go on it and just place an offer and whatever. And people contact back you and stuff like that. But this one car, the time I was trying to buy the GS300, they was running for like about, probably like almost $6,000. Yeah. Right? So, as I said, I was new to it. I didn't know how it worked. So, I saw this ad popped up. GS, not brand new, but low mileage, 2,500. Right? 2,500, right? So when I seen the ad, I said, God damn, I gotta jump on this. But question, not question, I'm going to take someone.
I'm gonna want some more sauce.
Yeah. You want to get more salvage? Oh, so I seen it said 2,500. I said, damn, that's a steal. I gotta get that. So I've been contacting the people through email. That's a no-no. Don't ever contact nobody doing no business through no email. If they can't produce their number, even though they have fake numbers they could get now, but if you can't see them in person and talk to them on the phone or whatever to arrange something, don't ever do that. So I'm there contacting a person through email, right? And I'm like, damn, these people responding back to me. But when they respond like about an hour later, sometime too. So the person said, this is one of the things they use on Craigslist. If you go to Craigslist right now, to this day, they still have it. The person was like, oh, I'm selling this so cheap because me and my wife is divorced and I want to get rid of it. I don't want no memories and I'm just sending it real fast. So I said, okay, I'll help you out. I'm jumping on it. So I told the person, I'm willing to get it. I'm willing to get it. Just hold it for me, hold it for me, hold it for me. Right? So I came and told First Lady. First thing, guys is different when it comes to car. Women, they get a car, they will just drive. But guys, they like cars and stuff like that. So calm it down, for all my guys, if you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I said, First Lady, the GS that I want, I seen it for $2,500. And the person said they selling it because them and their wife is getting divorced and they don't want no attachment. So I said, I want it. Knowing First Lady, First Lady said, Richie, that's anything too good to be true is not real. So I'm like, what the hell are you talking about? I'm getting mad now. Go, finish that number and I'll come back to me when I finish.
So, Richie.
Well, lunch, I want some food now, man. Go on, man. Go on, man. Go on, and then I feelings. I'm going to give me some more.
Yo, Richie come to me with this fuckeries. Okay? Yo, it has to be said, honey. A fuckeries you come with me for.
A true family man.
Excuse me, kids who are watching.
But yeah.
I understand, but it has to be said.
It got to be said. They hear more than that on TikTok.
I said to Richie, how much does this cost if you were to go on the Kelly Blue Book and pull it up and put in the information?
Yes, First Lady
said that. About $5,000-$6,000. So I said, so how would they sell for $2,500? Which you pull up emails, show it to me. You know, this is the people that said that her husband died or wife died or whatever, and they want to get rid of it. So I said, Richie, okay, $2,500. At that time, we got our tax money. Okay, because we got our tax money.
Balling on tax time.
So I said, okay, we can get the car, but under one stipulation.
You can take some more selfish.
No, I'm okay, my love. Under one stipulation, we got to go pick it up. Email them back and tell them we will meet them.
Yes.
We live in Florida, they live in Georgia. Ain't nothing but a quick drive.
Quick drive.
You already know we drive 2 hours to go get donuts. So we'll drive to go get a car.
Shooting.
All right. So Richie emailed the people them said, oh no, I can have it shipped to you. No charge. So I said to Richie, why would they want to have it shipped to us when we can go pick it up? So I said, okay. Matter of fact, we're gonna be in Georgia tomorrow. You know, we can stop by. Everything is no, we'll ship it to you. No, we'll ship it to you. Let me get a phone number. Oh, I don't really have a phone right now. I'd rather do things through email. It makes it so I can keep track. And I said, honey, this is a scam. It is a scam. And Richie's like, no. You know, so Richie, I'll call him mother.
Call my mother. Go on.
Ask his mother, mommy, you're gonna have to lend me the money because Shanice don't want to give me the money. And when I say Shanice, when he says Shanice don't want to give me the money, it's not as if Richie had to ask for permission. You understand? Because Richie could have took the money and went ahead, but we don't have that kind of marriage. So he knows that's not gonna work with me. We discuss stuff. You understand? No matter what it is, we discuss it. So if I'm not on board on it, Richie is not going to feel comfortable using our money to go buy it after I said, honey, I don't think it's a good idea.
Too fast.
So Richie went ahead and called his mother, and his mother's saying, but, okay, let me try to get it. And I said, what she mean let her try to get it? It's a scam. I said, you better not give him that money. All right, now. This is where it gets to it.
I've been talking to the person for like about 2 days, right, Tom?
2-3 days.
Yeah.
So
this person that was holding it for me too.
Holding it. Yo, I tell you, Richie and I got into like a big argument over it. I wasn't speaking to him. He wasn't speaking to me.
Real talk. I went in my
Richie
car,
was like, I gotta get this car. One thing about Richie is when he wants something, he's like, I gotta get it. And he gonna keep on going until he get it. Hence why it took 4 years to get me. He wasn't stopping until he got me.
It take 1 day to get you.
Ding.
1 day.
Ding.
1 day.
So anyway, I digress. All right, family? So then, I had a friend at the time, and we went to their house, and Richie pulling up the car and saying, yo, the Carmen wants it, the Carmen wants it.
Never get Mike, yeah, you feel like.
And my friends at the time said, this is too good to be true, Richie.
Exactly. Same thing.
Even Richie's friends was telling him, and he was telling them, man, and at the time, Richie was like 23, 24. So he's like, man, y'all don't know nothing. And I'm saying, Richie, if everybody's telling you that it's a duck, it's a duck. Richie said, no. Okay. I said, all right, this is what we're going to do. If you email the person and you tell them, give me the Western Union of, you know, where you want me to send the money to. And they send it. And if we find out what part of Georgia they're in, what we're gonna do is after they send that information, we'll email them back and say, hey, I am in Atlanta, Georgia right now. Meet me in 1 hour with the car. You know what happened? They never responded again.
Good telling. Right? So they never responded. I'm continue now?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So number one, family, right now, back now this 2020, anything about any site, come ask me now because I'm well equipped for it. This was 9 years ago. People always ask me, go do this on Craigslist, post this for me, and I get my stuff sell fast. First, you shoot up the line or what? Anything I want to sell, I put on Craigslist and then quick. So anyways now, number one, Craigslist don't work with eBay. eBay and Craigslist is totally different thing. The person was like, send the money to eBay and Ray. I'm like, I'm not gonna do that because it doesn't work. So yeah, one mind say, you know what? Everybody's saying it's too good to be true. Let me go read the fraudulent thing.
Cock-a-bumba.
Wait up, first lady.
Cock-a-dumpling.
Family. You see when I went to the fraudulent scam, beware of, it's a big word. Remember, I was just new to it. It says beware of scammers. When I went on it and I read the first one, they said, they said they use stuff like this. Oh, me and my fiance or my husband or my wife, whatever, is getting divorced.
Or
and
they
either die, I'm willing to sell this and such and such. That was one of them. That's what the person said to me, right? And if they're going through emails and they can't provide that's the next thing. So I said, wow, that's a shit. All right. Then I went to our next one. I want to take some thing, man. I went to the next one. It says, my husband is in the Afghanistan and I'm trying to move there and I just want to get rid of such and such and whatever. That's what they use too. Up to this day, they still have it on Craigslist. So I said, wow. So when I read it, I said, wow. I could have sent my $2,500 to these people. Up to this day, right now, today, I still wouldn't get the card.
Yep.
Right? So when I figured it out, I was emailing them back. Whew. I went off on them. I said, nice try. You almost had it. But now I know I will tell them everything. So every time I do some Craigslist and those fake ones come up, the fake stuff come up, I reply them, I curse them out. I tell them about themselves, and I tell them about themselves because they can't trick me again. So every time they come up on my thing, I said, okay, I lead them on. I say, okay, I'm willing to buy it. And they go with the same story that they always tell. Yes. And so I play with them and they think they're going to get it. And I said, nice one. Good try. Go try to scam somebody else. But family, so that's how I almost guessed. Right now, I would have still been waiting in 2020. And this happened 9 years ago.
And you know, it would have been a problem.
Yeah.
Which you have to go get another job to get the money back. I'm telling you right now. I was telling him it's too good to be true. It's too good to be true.
Yep. You did say too good to be, but I was determined because I wanted the car so bad, you know? But saying this, to say that, be careful. If you don't understand something, ask people because y'all could get scammed easily. And it's not about on Craigslist alone. People can scam you just like that. So you just gotta be careful. If you don't understand it, like I even tell people, I play lottery a lot. I buy a lot of scratch off everything. I know basically all the lotto. And I tell people, if you're gonna buy a lotto, make sure it's a lot of ways you can win. Make sure you read the bottom blueprint because people buy a ticket and don't ring the. I got a next story for y'all too. Yeah. So listen, read the bottom of the lotto, right? Read the bottom of the lotto because you could win money all the way too. People just buy a ticket to scratch it and just say, oh, I didn't catch that number and throw it away. That's for the new people, but read it. But be careful nowadays because people will scam you for everything you have. You know what I'm saying?
I'm telling you, family. Yeah. I'm telling you, me and Richie argued for 40 days and 40 nights.
Yes, we was pissed off. I mean,
not literally, okay? Yeah. I'm exaggerating, but we argued over it.
We was tight.
I was upset. I was like, honey, it's a scam. Richie said, no, it's not. No, it's not. Yeah. And I said, and did you apologize to me?
Long time that one. Don't you apologize? Long time. You apologize for it.
He was like, I'm so sorry. Yo, you know they lost the money? I said, honey, and money is scarce to begin with.
Listen, up to this day, we still laugh about it. I told her the other day, I said, first lady, now I'd have still been waiting for the car. First lady, the car would have never come. Probably I'd have been so mad because we just got a tax money, you know? And I said, damn, I'm going to spend the last tax money to go buy the car. But them boys got me. But
the thing about it is, we can laugh about it now, but then, man, I'm telling you, and Richie is stubborn. Okay, he's stubborn.
When they want
but once, after a while, he starts to listen, and he's like, all right, okay, you are right.
She was,
man.
She was totally right. But now, I'm the man of Craigslist. Offer up, let go, and whatever. You can't scam me. Oh, word of wisdom. Word of wisdom. Pastor Rich in the building. I know y'all got caught up in this story, but I got a couple more stories for y'all too about lotto tickets. I'm gonna let you know about that one probably tomorrow. Okay, family. It's never too late for a new beginning in your life. It's never too late for a new beginning in your life. Put in your own word.
Ooh, you can always start fresh.
Yes.
Okay?
Let me finish my food. Appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. You see, I eat my food. I take so long now. My food cold.
Now you know how I feel when I be telling stories.
Showing you my food. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. First lady, they are who?
You guys are our greedy family. Family, we hope you enjoyed the story time. And remember, don't forget to share the video. Share. And we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.